Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel I show you how to make money investing in the stock market. So this week I'm going to be walking us through the top stocks you can buy. So let's talk about it. One of the things I love about US stock is that there are seasons for a lot of things, and sometimes when some stocks are going up, other stocks are going down. So whenever you see a pullback or a sell-off on a good stock, just know that the stock is eventually going to head up. So knowing where to jump in can be tricky, but if you have a good plan, you can have a range, and that is what I want us to talk about. So top of my list are Palantir, AFFIRM, ARM, Meta, and Google. So these are the stocks I'm going to be talking to us about: Palantir, AFFIRM, ARM, Meta, and Google. So let's go to the chart. You should know that these stocks that we're watching can make you at least $100 if you know how where to buy, where to sell, how many shares you can buy. And remember, you can always buy fractional shares. All right. So with that in mind, let's go to the chart so that I will show you some stops. So I'm going to go to Palantir, which is the first one, and I am using the daily time frame. You can see that this stock has been going up, goes up, sold off here. So assuming you missed it, you could have grabbed it here at 21, took off again, sold off a little bit to 29, took off again, and eventually hit 45. And now the stock is currently at 41. It closed at 41.92 on Friday. Today is 4th of November, and pre-market it is 41.09. So to see it very well, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame, because on the 5 minutes time frame you will see what is going on. So this is market is yet to open, but you can see that the stock is selling off, meaning that let me use the 30 minutes now. It may likely retest this place, which is 40.89, and if he breaks this place, it may be heading to maybe below, maybe around 39, 38. That's what I am looking at. And remember that they have their earnings this week. So let's look at the daily time frame. So this is the last time they reported earnings, and the stock jumped, and it sold off and made a comeback. So I'm hoping the same thing happens again. I'm hoping that when they report earnings, that the stock can drop to like 39, 38, up to 35. And then once I sit at 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, even 39, I will buy and ride it all the way back to 45. So that is my plan for this particular stock. So I thought I should tell you, show you one stock that I'm looking to buy. I'm giving the clear cut, buy ranges with the direction of the market in the community. So you can join us. And the second one I'm going to talk about is AFFIRM. This stock has been impressive so far. This stock used to be around $22 and finally touched $50, sold off to 43. So this stock, the last time they reported earnings, look at it, they were at 31 and they jumped to 43. So this time around, they may not make the kind of move, we've seen in the last time. So I'm thinking that maybe they may jump and maybe cross $50. But if this stock sells off down to 38, is most likely going to come and retest around 35. Maybe this gap here that has not been filled. See this gap here is yet to fill that gap. So if it comes to that range, I'm going to buy this stock after your earnings report has been reported. The reason is that I want to see the movement and know what to do. So if you're in the community, I'm going to give you, with the direction of things as the days are coming in, I will show you exactly where we can jump in and buy. And there's so many things you can do with it. Now, the third stock I'm going to talk about is a semiconductor stock called ARM Holding. Why I love this stock is that it typically behaves the same way that NVDA behaves, but this stock as at July this year was around 188. Can you see this? July. And then it sold off. And then after they reported earnings, they dropped further to 96. And this we bought and we've been taking profit. Okay. So now that is here, I honestly do not know what was going to happen. So it's either it goes up to 164 or it sells off a little bit and comes to like 120 range to 135 range, which would be a very sweet spot for us to grab this stock to buy. So that is why it is on our watch list for buying this week. So like I said, when the market begins, opens on Monday, and we look at the direction, we note the areas of support and areas of buying opportunities. The next one I'm going to talk about are one of them I've been mentioning about it if you have been following my previous videos. So let me just go and type it directly here. Meta, Facebook. We all use Facebook, right? So if you're not making money from Facebook, you should be, having the stock so that you can make money from the stock. So this stock recently hit 601 thereabouts, and it sold off to 560. So you can see pre-market is at 562.60. So this stock, I am loving it. I'm hoping it will even come down to 550 range. Okay, I'm looking at 560 to 550 range before it picks up again. This is a very good, solid stock. These are the kind of stocks that when they pull back, a lot of buyers are rushing in. Like no one makes that mistake of leaving it. Everybody jumps in because everybody knows that this stock is heading up. Okay. So because this week is a very important week due to US elections, expect volatility, especially tomorrow being Tuesday. So keep an eye on all these stocks, and when you see them pull back further, jump right in and grab the opportunity. And the last one I'm going to talk about is Google, Alphabet, Google. Okay, Alphabet, Google. Stock has been impressive. This stock used to be at 182 and then it dropped to 160. And we bought it at 160. Currently it's at 170. I see this stock pulling back a little bit before heading up. This stock by December should be around 200. This stock is a good stock. Google, they are doing well. Their last earnings report was beautiful. That's why they ran from 169 to 182, which is very impressive. I love, love, love this stock. So you can see this is the next place it's targeting from this 182. So from 182, it's heading up to 192, and from there it's touching 200. When this happens, I'll be back here to remind you. Remember when I kept talking about Amazon, I kept talking about Google, Amazon. I'm also mentioning AMD. So these are the stocks that when they pull back, you buy and you go and rest. Like when they make money, they make good money for you. So this is what I wanted us to talk about on the stock. So just a quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, drop a comment, and I can't wait to, interact with you. We have a lot of exciting things coming up. I'm thinking of doing a fresher course on how to invest in the stock market. So keep an eye on that, and you'll definitely be happy with that. And a disclaimer, the ideas I shared in this video are my personal views, all right? So make sure you do your own research. I give you things that I'm watching that are working for me, that will keep working for me. So this is for educational purposes, but if you want to learn from me, please, please, please join our programs. We have the Stock to Wealth program, which is the basic, where you learn the basics of stock market and how to earn monthly passive income, which is just 10,000 naira only. And then we have the VIP. This one, apart from the apps, the stocks, and the financial plan, you get to see my buy stocks. You get to see when I sell. I let you in on all those information for just 50,000 naira. So if you're ready, join us and make your payment and be in class. I can't wait to see you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next.